Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on the application of Threads. If we go to settings, here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Threads and we click here. In this page of app and for we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.